In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all of your data from Snapchat. This can be really helpful if you want to create a backup of your information or simply save it for future use. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and next, tap the settings gear in the top right. Scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled My Data and tap on it. Here you can choose exactly what information you want to back up and download. For example, I'm going to select memories, but you can also include chat history, media, and other available data. After selecting what you want to back up, tap on Next. Then, choose the time frame you want to back up from. I'll select all time and press Submit. You'll now see that the export process has started, and you'll receive an email notification once your data is ready to download. When it's ready, just return to this page and tap the download button to get all of your Snapchat data. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.